My family tree.
Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother, me, brother-in-law, nephew, niece, wife, daughter, son, aunt, uncle, cousin.
My mother's brother is my uncle. My father is my cousin's uncle. My uncle's daughter is my cousin. My uncle's wife is my aunt. My sister's husband is my brother-in-law. My father's father is my grandfather. My sister's son is my nephew.
Listen to Laura talking about family and friends.
Hi, I'm Laura. I've got one brother, and his name is Sam. I haven't got a sister, but I've got two cousins, Mark and Lucy. Our house is near the centre of town. I'm a student at Whiteside Secondary School. It's okay. My favourite teachers are Mr. Baker and Miss Blair, and my best friends are Tina, Lisa and Amy. My hobbies are volleyball and reading. I'm in a volleyball team. Our two best players are Janice and Hannah. I'm also in a book club with two friends, Jane and Molly.
Can you make your own family tree? Let's do it now. And good luck.